welcome back. Okay, I'm your host Andre, and today we have different grades as usual. Okay, so you need to challenge yourselves. If you can solve the puzzles with minimum moves and as fast as possible, do let me know because I want to know, baby. Okay, as always, I have good news for you. Today, our price is $1,188. Okay, nice number, right? 1188. Okay, actually that's for you guys. I tak dapat lah. So, but it's for you guys. Nice number. Okay, guys. Simple rules. A puzzle will show up on your screen. Solve the puzzle within the time given, which is 90 seconds. Not more. Okay, complete all 8 puzzles to win the cash prize. And all the winners will share the prize of the day. Remember, we will be here live this week at 12 PM. So, tell and remind all your friends, okay? Tell, jangan lupa, okay? That we will be here. Okay, just to remind you, we have a new update. So, guys, make sure you update your Nujo app to the latest version from your app store, so you can see our new features. Okay? Okay, if you guys have any shout outs, do tag us at Facebook, Instagram or Twitter. And for those who are playing, post up a video of you playing and just tag us Nujo Live Show and hashtag Nujo Live on Facebook, Instagram or Twitter. Hey guys, I tell you something, we're giving out $20 tau. Okay, so don't forget, $20, okay, is the reward, but for selectors videos only. So come and tag us and join us, alright? So, now, we will start off easy only, okay? Grade 1 puzzle, okay? Easy. Let me know how many moves you guys take in the chat, okay? Where I can read, I will try and read, okay? And your time starts now. 90 seconds. Okay guys, you guys are doing quite well. I see a lot of 9 moves. Ada 7 step. Ahmad 7 step. Alright, that's good. 13, a little bit too much, but never mind, you're still good. Oh, a lot of people 7 steps. Okay, you guys are getting good. Joel, I think we need to make the puzzle harder lah. A bit.
Bagi Chan dulu, first puzzle.
Oh, bagi Chan dulu Okay, first puzzle. Okay, people, it is time for your apple and your durian. Okay, use your apple and use your durian while you wait for the results, because I'm excited. I want to know how many of you all are moving on, so today you can win your dollars. Okay, excited tau, excited. Okay, let's see. Okay, kejap lagi, results coming out. And alright, we have a lot of people that move forward, but the 17 they didn't make it. But don't worry guys, play on, because you still can get your dollies. Okay. And before we move to puzzle number 2, okay, let me just tell you about the last picture lah. It was actually a backpackers. Basically, backpacking, you can trek through remote jungles or concrete jungles, you know, like what we are in. Or you just want to chill on the beach all day. There is all kinds of destinations in Malaysia, okay? Now, just now the puzzle was grade 1, that was easy. Actually, most people can do it in less than 15 steps. And I saw a lot of people just now, they did it in what? 9 steps? Which was very, very good. Okay. Guys, you need to challenge yourself and move on a bit more lah. For those of you who has used more steps, the next one is a bit of a challenge, okay? It's a grade 2. It's a bit harder. But some people say can do in 12 steps Boleh 12 or 15 lah, 12 or 15. Okay, so you guys make sure that you guys do it quick and fast and let me know, okay? And we're starting 90 seconds from now. Okay guys, your time is almost up. Okay, I see a lot of y'all took quite a few moves on this. Okay, quite a few moves. Okay, and your time is up, people. Time is up. Okay, while we wait for the rest, use your durian, use your apple. Okay, apple gives you an additional 10 seconds. Okay, you got few more moves, just use your apple. If you know you really jam already, just use your durian lah. Don't worry, you tell all your friends you can get more durian and apple. Okay, and the results are out. Okay, excited lah. Okay, quite a few of y'all didn't get to move on, but don't worry, play on because you still can get your dollies. I tell you guys, okay. You guys still got it easy tau. There's now puzzles still got numbers. Eventually the numbers will go missing. Okay, anyway, a short little fun fact about the last photo. Okay, it was actually the tea plantation. Okay, in Cameron Highlands. Oops. I wanted to ask them to guess, tak jadi. Okay, but never mind. Okay, they can smell the roses at Mrs. Robertson's Rose Garden. Tour the Orang Asli Village. I'm supposed to ask you guys lah, where now? Where can you guys guess where it is? Alright. Okay, the puzzle was a little bit hard, I know, okay. But most people can solve within 15 steps. Some of you took more. Puzzle 3 coming up is tougher a little bit, okay. Puzzle 3 is still a grade 2, but you need 17 steps to solve the puzzle, okay? So don't forget guys, practice, huh? Okay, and we are starting puzzle number 3 now.
NANI?! A few moments later. A few moments later.
Ahmad Shahirul, not bad. You took 19 moves. Tarzan Jane, 17. Okay, not bad, quite good.
NANI?!
If you guys cannot move, use your durian and then restart the app, okay?
A few moments later.
Lagging somewhere somehow, okay? As I said, use your durian and then restart your app, so you're still able to play. Alright, that's the tip tau. Okay. Oh yeah, anyway, you're supposed to move. You're supposed to use your apple and your durian, but don't worry. Results coming out, results coming out. Okay, as you can see on your phone, the results are out. Okay, the puzzle was easy, right? The puzzle, huh? Alright. Okay, let's see. Okay, we move on to our content. Okay, the budget. Okay, the last picture was actually for budget travelers that love Malaysia's perhentian islands, especially perhentian kecil, the smaller of the two islands, where the fine sand and the excellent snorkeling and diving fill the days before the parties at night. But I know some people go there, they want to go party je. Okay, there's also kayaking, jungle trekking. Okay, jungle trekking, which is good because it's also a workout. Like I said earlier, you know, you need to work out your body as well as your mind. Okay. Wait, I will show you some gift of kayaking and snorkeling kalau ada. Tapi mungkin tak ada. Tapi tak apa. Alright. Puzzle keep jam. Don't worry. Like what I said just now, you do it, okay? Use your durian, then restart the app. Cepat-cepat. Okay, guys. We are starting to puzzle number 4. Now. Okay, people, your time is up, okay? But you still have time to use your apple and your durians, okay? If tak cukup, tell all your friends. Then, get them to register using your referral code. So, you will get a fruit basket. So, I ada dengar khabar lah. Later on, mungkin kita akan add lebih barang lah. I dengar khabar je lah. Alright, okay. Let me just go to the puzzle a little bit, because after this is our R&R. Okay. It's from an endangered orang-utan rainforest canopy walk. And some of the best diving in the world. Of course lah, Borneo, Malaysia. Okay. This is the perfect itinerary for outdoor lovers and adventurers lah, who want to get far away from the city. Actually got city there so, but they want to go out lah. Okay. Head to Bako, Sarawak's oldest national park. Here you will come across monkeys, not me just other monkeys fauna and waterfalls. Waterfalls are really nice. They're very chilling out of the water. Okay, your trip to Kota Kinabalu, Sabah capital. Okay, usually you start there lah, which is where the airport is. Alright, and we have the arena. Okay, now let me ask you guys, how was your puzzles? The first 4 puzzles, guys. Let me know. Okay, I know it's a little bit hard, Okay, so the remaining players must have been easy for you all, because you all did quite well. You all did quite well to move on. Alright. So, the dollars are waiting for you guys. So, keep it up, guys. And don't stress up. Just chillax, okay? Okay, before that, let me give you a riddle of the day lah. Okay. Dia datang setiap hari, tetapi tak mungkin hari ni. Okay? I read again. Dia datang setiap hari, tetapi tak mungkin hari ini. Alright? And in English, okay, it comes every day, but will not be coming today. Alright? Repeat. It comes every day, but will not be coming today. Jawapannya, I akan bagi kat hujung show kita. Okay. Not every day lah we have a teka-teki or riddle. But, okay, once in a while when I feel like it, I give you lah. So, coming up guys will be slightly tougher. Kali ni mungkin ada nombor hilang tau. Yang hiding sikit-sikit sini sana. Okay. is a little bit harder. Okay, a little bit harder. Okay, it's coming up. Puzzle number 5, which is grade 5. I give you a tip lah. Ada orang boleh settle in 22 moves. Let me know. We're starting now. Okay guys, you guys have roughly about 10 seconds, just under 10 seconds. Okay, 3, 2, 1. It's apple and durian time, people. Apple and durian time. Okay, apple and durian time. Alright. The time is almost up. Okay. Okay. How many moves did you guys take? Okay, some of you all did 68. Okay, Yipul, you are quite good. You did 32. But don't worry guys. Okay, our results are out already, as you can see on your phones. Okay, a lot of you all took a lot of moves, but don't worry. Keep playing, you will get better. I know. Okay, the last puzzle, a lot of people can say lah, they said lah, can be do in 22 steps. Okay, so I will let you know lah the next puzzle. Kita bagi tips sikit lah, Joel lah. Okay, the last photo was actually Penang, the last puzzle. And you can get lost in these beautiful colonial streets, okay? The Penang street arts, which is the murals. Actually, you got to find them, okay? You got to go find them. And I can tell you, a lot of people have been taking a lot of photos about it. Okay, venture through the vibrant Little India and follow the street art around the city. There are a lot of temples, markets. You can even go hiking. It's really, really nice, okay? Those that haven't been to Penang, go try it out. Okay, now the puzzles are getting a bit tougher. Okay, coming up is puzzle number 6, which is a grade 5. But I heard Jules can do it in 20 steps. Starting now.
NANI?! A few moments later. A few moments later. NANI?!
Alright people, your
A
time is
few
up.
moments later.
Okay, it's apple and durian time. Apple and durian time. Okay, make sure you use your apple, use your durian, because those of you that are still on, you still can get your dollar and dollies. Okay, and Dolly. Yeah, get the Dolly. So terlupa. Okay, and the results are out. Okay, the results are out, people. Okay, the last photo, I like it a lot because it's actually of Malacca. Okay, Malaysia's Peranakan City, which is Malacca lah, is a worthwhile stop for cultural, historical and colonial sites. Even UNESCO declared Malacca as a World Heritage Site in 2008. Okay, so that's how good Malacca is. Okay, a lot of history in Malacca itself lah. Okay, I stayed in Malacca for a little while, so I can tell you guys. Head down to Jonker Street, where the city's heritage and the museum surroundings, some market shopping, and I tell you, the food is awesome. Okay, the chicken rice ball, that was sedap. I really like it. Lepas ni guys, okay, agak susah sikit, but it's your last chance where you can use your apple and your durian. Okay, speaking of durian, you should go to Malacca, the Cindul durian, awesome, best tau, I tell you guys. Go try it. Okay, I cannot remember where, but I think it's near the waterfall. Okay, coming up, guys, will be a puzzle number 7, which is grade 7, starting now. Okay, people, your time is up. Your time is up. Okay, I heard lah, the kabar angin lah. Some people said the last puzzle, which is 7, puzzle 7 can be used, can be done in 24 steps. Okay, time for your apple and durian. Last chance. Okay, before the results come out. Okay, the results will be coming out very, very soon. In the meantime, let me tell you lah about the last picture, which you just saw. Okay, if you are afraid of heights, look away. Okay, because that one is quite high. Okay. It's actually a photo of a national park, okay? It's one of the world's oldest tropical rainforests. See, you guys can guess where tak? A long canopy walkway, a chance to see nature high in the trees that normally isn't visible from the ground. You can enjoy waterfalls and beautiful trekking and birds and a lot of things lah, spotting, rafting and all that. Where's that photo, that one? Which national park? Borneo kan? I think it's... Oh, Taman Negara. Yes. Okay, I'm sure most of you all knew really. Anyway, guys, we are coming up to JOK. Okay, puzzle number 8, which is a harder puzzle. Okay, it's quite hard, It's jam otak kau, alright? The toughest of them all, memang susah sikit. Okay, and you guys still have 90 seconds, and we are starting now. People, you got a few more seconds. Few more seconds. And your time is up. Your time is up. Okay, before we go to all the results and all that lah. The puzzle number 8 is actually a cable car from the Awana Skyway up to the peak. Okay, and during that you can actually see the Chin Swee Temple. What is it called? Chin Swee Temple. You can see a strawberry farm, a bee farm, and all that. Okay, kejap lagi the results will be out lah. But this time you cannot use your apple and your durian, okay? Because it's JOK, which is puzzle 8. Okay. Hang on, I'm waiting for the result lah. So you guys got the answer of my teka-teki earlier tak? Okay, you got tak? Okay, I give you again. Dia datang setiap hari, tetapi tak mungkin tiba hari ni. Okay, in English, it comes every day, but will not be coming today. Congratulations to all you winners. Okay, all of you guys bring back berapa? 17 ringgit each. Okay. Your dollar balance will be updated later, so don't worry, okay? Come back again on Wednesday at 12 PM. Make sure you mark down on your calendar, Make sure you mark down your calendar. Okay, those of you who think that Nujok ni best sangat, okay? Invite lah all your friends and family to play, okay? Bring them and join them in our next session, alright? Get them to register and play using your referral code, and you will get a fruit basket. And they get to practice their brain power, okay? We need everybody with high brain power, high IQ. Okay, check out our Facebook, Instagram and Twitter for more updates. So tell all your friends, okay? Those who have won today, post up your winning videos and you just might get $20. And guys, don't forget, an apple a day keeps the doctor away. Sessions of Nujok keeps your mind active every day so you can stay sharp. Okay, I'm your host, Andre. I'll be here this coming Wednesday. So I'll see you guys soon in our next session. Bye.